Make a great choice today with the 2015 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Vehicle Program. It's the smart choice.